And again, I want to take care of your foot power. So, I want to do frappes. Pay attention in the demi-point when you prepare your leg, and you will do start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then fast. Double releve, double releve, double releve, double releve. Touch up. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Double releve, double releve, double releve, double releve. Petit battement. Take fifth. Single pirouette, which your pirouette ends on the fifth here. Plie, reach on head. Single pirouette underdone. Finish it. And again, head like we talked about. You have to expect your calf will be tight, which means you will improve your leg power. Prepare. Demi-point, 3, singles, 3, side 3. Double releve, up, up, down, back 3. Double up, double up, double up. Keep demi-point, keep battement. Follow your arm. Stay slow. Allonge, close fifth. Turn. Close back, fifth. Plie. Up. What is fifth? Close. On time, same under or close. Back, under, down, close, front.